Hello guys, welcome back to NF Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix GE Dishwasher error code 888. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're getting the error code 888 on your GE Dishwasher, so in this case, it's likely related to wiring issues with the flow meter or air gap here. So what you need to do first is you want to unplug your dishwasher here. Basically turn off the power by plugging the dishwasher from the outlet or switching off the circuit breaker just in case you don't have access to the actual plug or outlet itself. But yeah, once you've done that, what we need to do is you want to go and just remove the metal panel around your dishwasher here. And basically, you want to open the dishwasher door and unscrew the side screws, one stainless screw on each side here. So in this case, around in here. So in this case, one screw, wood screw in the middle, if you do have that, but depends on your model here. But yeah, so at the back of the dishwasher, you want to unscrew two additional screws, so no need to unscrew the cable hose holder there. But yeah, from then on, you want to access the control panel here. So in this case, you want to push the control panel forward with by about like 1 inch and lift it up and completely remove it. Now you want to remove two screws on each side for the to free the metal housing, and just be careful with sharp and metal edges here while handling the panel. And yeah, so you want to check the flow meter connection. Locate the flow meter air gap on the left side here of the dishwasher and check the plug wire connection. Now it may have come loose or need cleaning here, so if necessary, clean or replace the air gap meter. Now from there on, you can just reassemble dishwasher. So reconnect all components, ensuring everything is securely in place, and plug the dishwasher back in and test it if the error now is resolved. Now, if you're not sure how to exactly do this, it's best to contact a technician or someone that actually knows how to do this. So you may be able to contact GE support or customer service here, customer support, to have them connect you with a professional or technician here to get this fixed. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.